All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1956 GMC Pickup. And one of the nice things about this truck, besides its step side bed, it's got a little bit, it has a little toolbox in the back, has a really nice little lift stance to it to make it ride a little bit nicer. Besides that, we have our somewhat half and half original gauges with our upgraded tach, upgraded temperature gauge, and upgraded fuel gauge to make it more accurate. Got our aftermarket, I'm going to assume retro sound radio, and pretty much a smooth cruiser. Besides its manual steering, it's got really nice brakes. Give it to you right now. Brakes still stop on demand. Everything works as should. In fact, one of the literally funny features about this truck is that it has a mildly laugh whistle, as I'm going to blow right now. Yeah, don't know if you can really hear that, but it really does make somebody laugh here and there. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We hope to see you there.